Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan and welcome back to Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. And if you are not yet downloaded my application Civil Engineering Shravan application, please download my application from Google Play Store, or else if you are using iOS device, please download my application from My Institute app. So in the My Institute app, use ORG code is DTYUYX. You can able to log into my application so that the complete courses will be available in my application like StatPro, ETAP, SAP, Rivet, Primavera, etc. So I am providing huge discounts on courses. Right now the courses are having the discount. You can utilize this offer. Okay. So in this video I will explain you the complete extension of the offers which I am providing for the complete courses. So as in the Independence Day celebration, we are given the course for the flat 81% discount. For the StatPro software, I was given it as 1499 rupees with the 6 months validity. And for the ETAT software also, I was given the courses which is of 1499 rupees, which is also valid of 6 months. And in the same process, I was given the SAP 2000 course with 1499 rupees is the cost for that particular code and with 6 months duration. And the combo pack, which is the combination of both STAT as well as the ETAPs, I was given it as 2499 rupees with 1 year validity. Okay, so again in the same process I was given the 3-in-1 pack, which is the combination of 3 courses like STAT, ETAPs as well as the SAP course, which is having the cost is 3499 rupees. So many of the students are enrolled to this application for the different courses like STAT, ETAPs or combo pack or 3-in-1 course also. So the slots are filled now. Thus no slots is available. But many of other students are also asking me about the some more slots for the particular purchasing of the course. So that's why based on the number of the students request, I was providing additional 25 number of the slots for the courses. Okay, if you are wanted to purchase the course, you can directly purchase the course. I was unlocked the course coupon code which is also available, which is related to Civil 78, which is valid for the StatPro software, ETAP software and SAP software. You can apply this particular Civil 78 coupon code so that you will get the complete courses of individual courses for 1499 rupees. For that particular individual courses. In the same process for the combo pack also I was unlocked the coupon code which is getting the offer prices 2499 rupees. Okay, which is of combo 78 is the coupon code. So you can apply that particular coupon code so that you will get the final cost for that particular course is 1 year validity with 2499 rupees only. In the same process, I was unlocked one more coupon code which is of Freedom 78 coupon code. So I was unlocked that particular code which is also get the complete package which is of 3499 rupees only. So I was unlocked that code, coupon codes, 3 coupon codes, but I was provided for all these coupon codes with 25 number of additional slots only. Okay, so if you want, you can utilize this 25 number of the slots. So the people, those who are asking me again and again about the extension of this particular course offer, this is the right time for you for utilizing this particular course offers prices. Okay, so please utilize that particular course price offer which is having additional discount prices on the Civil Engineering Shravan application courses. Okay, you can utilize that particular courses based on your interest. Okay, so and one more thing, many of the students or the other students, those who are not purchased the course, also asking me some of the queries regarding the courses, whether it is comes under recorded video or live classes. Actually, it is comes under the complete recorded classes. So I was provided top lectures which is related to the complete designing modules and analysis modules, and I was provided some basic concepts related to the introduction to that particular softwares and high-rise building, seismic loading analysis, wind loading analysis. If I explain in the live classes also, it is also comes under the same module. If I explain in the recorded class also, the module will be same. Okay, the concept is same. Okay, but if you have to focus on your learning skills, for example, let us consider any one of the course. Just I am taking StatPro software. It is having 32 modules. So you have to initially see those 32 modules and based on your assumed data. For example, for G+1 building structural model, I was taking the beam sizes 230 cross 300 mm. Okay, for your example, you can assume the data like 300 cross 300 beam size, and you can do the practice of your own dimensions and do own consideration. so that it will increase your skills regarding that particular course. Okay, so practice one problem which is similar to that video I was explained in the course. Then after that you have to practice your own modules based on your assumed data. That is the right way to learn the software. Okay, so if you practice only the content which is available in the application, that is not only good for you for improving your skills. Okay, that is my sincere suggestion to the people, those who are not yet purchased your content course or purchased the course, both students, this point will be helpful for you. Okay, so this is the process to learn the complete courses. Okay, and one more thing, most of the people, other people also asking me the question regarding will you provide the software? Definitely, after purchasing the course, I will definitely provide you the software link so that you can able to download the application. So you can, after downloading process is done, I will take you into the Google Meet, or I will take you into the video call, WhatsApp video call, so that we will be in the online, so that we will connect to each other. Then I will install you application in your laptop or PC based on your interest. Okay, so this is the conclusion of this video, and this offer was extended to 19th of this month. End of this particular course offer is 19th only, so I am providing extra 1 day offer for this particular 25 number of the slots. If you wanted to purchase the course, you can start purchasing from now only. The offer is available in the application itself. You can once check in the application. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding this particular courses and particular video, once pin me to my WhatsApp so that I will give you the replies to the WhatsApp, or else if you are having queries about this video, you can once pin me to my comment box so that I will give you the comment box. Download my application from the link which is available in the below description of this video. And if you are using iOS device, please download my Institute app and use ORG code is GTYUYX. And don't forget to click on subscribe button for my YouTube channel, and click on bell icon for more interesting updates and civil engineering topics. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye.